Okay, so here we are. Let's turn on some traffic. And this is very, very cool. I mean, you can turn on traffic real easy. And we're here at leadimpact.com. And I would suggest you try this one first before you move to the other ones. Other ones, they require, deposits of $1,000 and different things. And Lead Impact is really, really, really easy to work with. Okay, so what you'd want to do is you come to Lead Impact, that's leadimpact.com, and you click the sign up button, and you just fill out the information here. They're going to send you a contact information to your email, okay, for verification. Once you receive the verification, click on that inside your email. Then you're going to be taken to a page that's going to ask you for other information. And after you click that, click next step, and then you'll start advertising. And so for this campaign name, I chose cruises, and I just set a test budget. Just set a test budget of like $5 per day, so that you can run your campaign for $2. A $10 ad spend is no big deal, and that way, if you're when you see that you're making sales and you're progressing, then you can increase your ad spend. But always start small. We start small, then we grow big. Okay? So after you come to there, and you go to next step. And I already tested this campaign just a second ago. Let's push in specials. Okay, now you just come in and you put your landing page here, which would be the other one, cashback, the lead capture page, or the sales page, whichever one you're doing. And this should be, see, I already messed up. You got to watch me here. Okay, get rid of the .com up there. Got confused on this just a little bit. A small h. Okay, and then select category. You select the category for whatever you're in, and so this would be travel and product subscriptions, and you put whichever one it is. I'm just gonna go with other right now. Then the countries. Remember, we targeted our countries. Okay, so we put our targeted countries in here, the ones that we selected, which ones we found the best, and then you gotta click that little button right there. Okay, so then we go to next step. Alright, and next step right here is the keywords. It says add keywords. We want to add the keywords, so we take the whole, it says 5,000 maximum, so we take our whole list of keywords and we copy and paste them into here. Okay, that's what we do. And then we go next to save and continue, and then your campaign will start, and you'll add your credit card information so that you can fund the campaign. Okay, if you have any questions or any problems with any of this, please feel free to private message me, and I will help you out.